to use suitable identities to find the following product: x plus 4 times x plus 10. So which identity you can use over here is x plus 8 times x plus b. Okay, so it says like, what is x plus a times x plus b? That is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Alright, so similarly you have to identify what is x, a and b. Okay, so here x is x, a is 4 and b is 10. Good evening, Jashanpreet. Okay, so it comes out to be x square plus 4 plus 10 is 14, 14x plus 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so this is how you are going to basically solve these questions. In the next part as well, you are going to apply the same formula for same identity, I mean. So you have to identify what is a over here. A over here is 8 and b over here is like negative of 10. Alright, so what will be x plus 8 times x minus 10? That will be equal to x square plus 8 minus 10 times x plus 8 times negative of 10. So it comes out to be x square minus 2x minus 80. So that becomes your answer. Okay. Next, again the same identity we are going to use, like 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 5. At this time your x is also changed. Okay, so what is x over here? X is 3x, and what is a over here? That is 4, and what is b over here is negative of 5. Just don't forget the sign thing. So it comes out to be like 3x whole square, x square, okay, plus a plus b. So basically it is 4 minus 5 times x, and x is your 3x. Okay, don't forget that x is your 3x over here, plus ab. ab means 4 times negative 5. So that comes out to be your 9x square, and plus 4 minus 5 is negative of 1, 3x minus 20. So therefore answer is 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Easy. Alright, so coming over to next question now. Fourth part. In the fourth part, the identity you are going to use is like x minus y, x plus y times x minus y. Okay, so x plus y times x minus y, what it says? It says x square minus y square. Okay, now you have to identify what is x over here. X is y square, and what is y over here? That is negative 3 upon not negative 3 upon 2, only 3 upon 2. Okay, so this implies that y square plus 3 upon 2 times y square minus 3 upon 2 equals y square whole square x square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So that comes out to be y to the power 4 minus 9 upon 4. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve these questions. I'm just going to make some space over here. In the fifth part as well, we are going to use x minus y times x plus y. Okay, yeah, here I'm going to write x minus y times x plus y. that is equal to x square minus y square. So what is x over here? In 3 minus 2x times 3 plus 2x. What is x over here? X is your 3 minus what is y square? That is twice of x whole square. It comes out to be 9 minus 4x square. Okay. Coming over to next part of the question, second question. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So 103 times 107. Basically it means 100 plus 3 times 100 plus 7. So which identity you can use over here? You can use over here is x plus a times x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Now what is x in this question? Okay, what is x in this question? X equals to like 100, a equals 3 and b equals 7. So your answer will be x square, that means 100 square, plus, now just follow the identity thing. A plus b means 3 plus 7 times what is x? 100 plus a times b. So that means 3 times 7. So it comes out to be 10000 plus 3 plus 7 is 10. It becomes 1000 plus 21. So it comes out to be 11021. That is it. This is how you are going to solve these questions. Alright. I'm going to solve the next one now. It says 95 times 96, which is nothing but 100 minus 5 times 100 minus 4. Okay. So what it would become? Like here you have to identify what is x, that is 100. Again, what is a, that is a negative of 5. What is b, that is equal to negative of 4. Don't forget the signs. So this will become 100 square plus minus 5 minus 4 times 100, okay, plus negative 5 times negative 4. So it comes out to be 10,000 minus 5 minus 4 means negative of 9. Negative of 9 times 100 means negative of 900. Okay. Negative 5 times negative 4 means positive 20. Something like this. Okay. So it comes out to be your 9 1. Okay. 9120. That is it. That becomes your answer. Okay. Coming over to next part. That is the third part. Third part says 104 times 96. So we are going to, make 104 like 100 plus 4 multiplied by 100 minus 4. So as it can be seen which identity we will be using over here, that is x plus y times x minus y, which is equal to x square minus y square. So what is x over here? That is 100. And what is y over here? That is 4. Okay. So this will become 100 square minus 4 square. Okay, so 10,000 minus 16. Okay, now 10,000 minus 16 will be, I am going to subtract, but it will become 9984, something like this. Okay, do check the answers at your end also. Factorize the following using the appropriate identities. So you have to basically identify which identity we can apply over here. Okay, for example, in this case, you can see 9x square can be written as the first part. 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. Okay, plus if I'm going to just leave some space, and you just get the idea, like it is, both the ends are covered. There are three terms, and which identity contains three terms in its output. The first thing you can think like that, and second thing, like it is something like, there are two squares and there is one term which is without square. Okay, so you can just think of like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I have written a square over here, plus I have given some space and then plus b square. So over here you are going to write 2ab now, twice of what is a, that is 3x, and what is b, that is y. And you can see that 2 times 3x times y becomes 6xy only. Alright. So here you are going to write as a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square. This implies 3x plus y whole square, which is equal to 3x plus y times 3x plus y, and that becomes your answer. That is it. Nothing else. Coming over to second part now. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Same technique. Okay, similar question. So 4y square can be written as 2y whole square minus, you just leave some space over here, and 1 square. So minus 2ab. So twice of what is a over here, you can see that is 2y times b is 1. So a square minus 2ab plus b square becomes, a minus b whole square, and you have to reason over here. Okay, as a square minus 2ab plus b square equals a minus b whole square. Okay, that is why. So at the end, because we have to factorize, so we have to show factors separately. So these are the two factors. So we have factorized it. Coming over to next part. Third part says x square minus y square upon 100. So this can be written as x whole square minus y upon 10 whole square. Now here you can apply the formula, like you can write a square minus b square equals a plus b times a minus b. So therefore it is equal to like x minus x plus y upon 10 times x minus y upon 10. Okay, that's it. Using suitable identities, we have to expand it. So it is like a plus b plus c whole square. All right. So the first one is like x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. The formula we are going to apply over here is a plus b plus c whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. So you just need to identify what is a, b and c over here. Like in this case, a is your x, so a square means x square plus b square means 2y whole square plus c square means 4z whole square plus twice of ab means x times 2y plus bc means 2y times 4z plus ca means 4z times x. So that is it. We are just going to simplify it. So it comes out to be x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus, so it comes out to be like 2 is going to distribute, it becomes 4xy, 2 to the now this 2 is going to multiply this with the second term as well inside the bracket, so 2 to the 4, 4 is the 16 plus 16yz, and then last one 8zx. So that becomes your answer. Okay, I'm going to solve the last part of this question. If you find any difficulty, you may ask me to solve that particular part as well. 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 4a can be written as a upon 4 minus 1 upon 2b can be, half of b can be written as b upon 2 plus 1 whole square. Again, you need to identify, formula is same, again we are going to apply this formula only. You need to identify what is a, b and c in this case. So your a is basically a upon 4 whole square and b is b equals to negative b upon 2 whole square plus c whole square plus twice of a times b. Okay, you have to make sure that negative sign is retained. Negative of b upon 2 times c, that is 1, plus 1 times a, that is 1 time a means a upon 4. Now just solve the brackets, that is it. A square upon 16 plus b square upon 4 plus 1. This 2 is going to multiply with the first term, then the second term, then the third term. So it comes out to be your minus ab upon 4, then 2 gets multiplied with the second term. Okay, just make sure you are cancelling the 2. So minus b upon 2, and in the third case it becomes plus a upon 2. Okay, that is it. Coming over to next part, factorize. That is just the reverse of this type of question. So you are having 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. First of all, you have to identify, like we know that it is something of the form, you know, that is x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. It is of this form only. Okay. Now we have to identify what is x, y and z over here. So basically this is the entire formula. We just need to identify what are x, y and z over here. Okay. Secondly, we also need to check with which terms we are getting negative sign. We are getting negative sign with these two terms. So which variable is common in these two terms? Which variable is common in these two terms? You have to check this as well. So you can see in these two terms, z is the variable which is common. Okay, so we are going to take z as negative. So whatever will be its coefficient, with that thing it is going to be a negative one. So now the first term can be written as twice of x whole square. Second term can be written as 3y whole square, and third term can be written as 4z whole square. But we already have seen that uh, we have got negative sign with these two terms, and we have got z as the common term. So I'll be putting a negative sign over here. Okay. So plus 12xy can be written as twice of 2x times 3y. Now what I am doing is I'm just applying this formula. 2xy, 2yz, z should have come over here. Just skip the z over here. Okay. So that is it. So 2xy I have written, now I have to write 2yz. So twice of what is y over here, that is 3y, and what is z over here, that is a negative of 4z, plus 2zx. Now what is z over here, that is a negative of 4z, and what is x over here, that is 2x. Now if you are going to check, you will definitely see that 12xy and this value are same. Negative of 24yz and twice of 3y times negative of 4z is same. Negative of 16xz and twice of negative of 4z times 2x is again same. Alright. So what you are going to write is over here is, which is equal to x plus y plus z whole square, means 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Okay, because they have asked us to factorize, so we have to make the factors separately. That is it. That was your answer. Okay. Now coming over to the second part of this question. Now 2x square, I have to write 2x square as a whole square of something. Okay, so now you can write 2 as square root of 2x whole square. Okay, remember this thing. And even like y square can be written as y whole square, that is not an issue. But now 8z square, 8z square can be written as square root of 8z whole square. So whose square, the number which is not a perfect square, so you can write their square root as just put the square root on that number and put a whole square outside it. That is it. Okay. Now square root of 8 can be further written as 2 square root of 2 z whole square. If you are having doubt in that thing, so you can write square root of 8 as square root of 2 times 2 times 2. And in the previous class you have seen that a pair, one number out of the pair can come out, so it becomes 2 square root of 2. That is it. Okay, so square root of 2 can be 8 can be written as 2 square root of 2. Now next, Once you have recognized how these terms can be written, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square, you are going to apply these terms over there. So square root of 2x whole square plus y whole square plus 2 square root of 2 z whole square. Okay. Now again, there is a issue of the negative sign over here. So we have to check the negative sign as well. So these two terms are having negative sign. In these two terms, which variable is common? And you'll see variable x is common in both of these terms. Okay. So for in this case, you are going to put a negative sign with square root of 2x. Okay. Now rest, how you are going to write rest of the terms? Plus twice of negative square root of 2x times y plus twice of y times 2 square root of 2z plus 2 times 2 square root of 2z uh, times negative of square root of 2x. Okay. Now you can apply this identity. Alright. So it comes out to be negative of square root of 2 x plus y plus 2 square root of 2 z whole square. So because we need to make the factors, so it can be written in two brackets. Something like this. Just to show that these are two separate factors. That will become your answer. Write the following cubes in expanded form. Okay. So you just need to basically apply a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Okay. So let us say what is first of all a plus b whole cube. That is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Even we have learned one more form of this like if we are going to take 3ab as common, so it comes out to be like 3a cube plus 3ab a plus b plus b cube. Okay. So but we need to expand it, so this is not required over here. Okay, we'll deal with this only. So I'll be doing the third part. First two parts you may do at your end. Okay, those are simple ones. So third part is like 3 upon 2 x plus 1 whole cube. So I'm going to apply a plus b whole cube over here. So first of all you need to identify what is a. What is a over here? A is like 3x upon 2. And what is b over here? B equals to 1. Hello Arun. So a cube is basically 3x upon 2 whole cube plus 3a square b means 3 times okay, just again sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, a plus b whole cube, and a over here is, so we are going to plug in the values of a and b basically. So what is a over here? That is 3x upon 2 whole cube plus 3 times 3x upon 2 whole square times what is b over here? That is 1 and plus 3 times 3x upon 2 times 1b square. Let's make some space over here. Plus b cube plus 1 cube. Okay. So that is equal to 27 upon 8 x cube plus 27 upon 4 x raised to 2 plus 9 upon 2 x plus 1. That is it. That becomes your answer. They are very, these questions are very simple. Yeah, you also have to specify particularly which identity you are applying in this question. Okay. Coming over to the next question, fourth part. Basically, all the four parts were simple. It is just like third and fourth part were having fractions, so I have chosen those one. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Over here, which identity you will be using? Instead of a plus b whole cube, we'll be using now a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So x minus, first of all, what is a over here? You have to identify a, that is x, and what is b over here? That is 2y upon 3. Okay. So it comes out to be a cube. What is a? That is x cube minus 3a square b, 3 times x square times b is 2y upon 3 plus 3 times a b cube 2y upon 3 whole cube whole square, sorry, not 3ab square plus minus b cube, so minus 2y upon 3 whole cube. We just need to solve it. So it comes out to be your x cube, this 3 gets cancelled, minus 2x square y and plus 2xy square upon 3. Just try the calculation part, just try at your end, you'll get to know. There's no rocket science over here. Calculations are simple, are very simple. So we have covered the first 6 questions of exercise 5.2. Alright, and this exercise contains total of 16 questions, so I'll be making 3 lectures out of it. Okay guys, thank you.